All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I know you guys are looking at the title and you know what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about none other than Kaspa. Because guys, let's face it, Kaspa has some momentum right now, which no one can really stop. And I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys as to what really is happening right now and what a lot of people don't really understand. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As we are starting off the day for Wednesday, you guys can see Kaspa once again up 7.7% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. Looking at its price right now, once again hit a new all-time high at 7.3 cents, up 7.4% as mentioned in USD comparative. It's also up 6.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. We can see the rank for Kaspa is at that top 38 spot with a market cap approaching $1.6 billion. Yup, you heard that correct. 1.6 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $60 million. Guys, when was the last time you have seen this much buying pressure coming for Kaspa? There's something going behind the scenes that a lot of people don't realize, which I'm going to talk about right now. So before we get into the charts, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're looking at the following for Kaspa. It's gaining, it's really climbing up to the 100,000 slowly but surely. And I think this month we will see Kaspa break that 100,000 followers for itself. Your community is growing at a tremendous rate. But what is next for the price? That is what I'm going to share with you guys right now. And what a lot of people don't understand is, guys, this move right here, because look at these charts from the previous update, which I made just yesterday. One of the best looking charts, if not the best looking chart in the cryptocurrency market. This is what people dream of. This is what people really love seeing in the bull market, and this is what people are used to seeing in the cryptocurrency markets when things really heat up. And Kaspa has been doing this throughout the bear market. And this is that coin, as I've said, every bull cycle, there's 2 to 3 new coins that come out that really take the crypto space by storm. And as of now, Kaspa is one of them without a doubt, because there's no project besides Kaspa, in my opinion, that has performed throughout a bear market, went underground. No one paid attention to it, to coming up to $2 billion market valuation, and that's where people start paying attention. So that should really speak a lot for itself. And if you guys watched my video just yesterday, I've mentioned in that video that we could be starting to see Kaspa making a run towards this $2 billion market cap, because the likes of Pepe, a meme coin, I always love making that comparison. If a meme coin is able to reach $2 billion market cap, why would Kaspa not be able to do that, which has way bigger hype factor, actually has a utility here to really, solve real world issues with its unique tech. And of course, the reminiscing feeling from the previous layer ones that people miss, a lot of, volume coming in. And, honestly, at this rate, guys, if you do follow me on my channel on a regular basis, I've been talking about Kaspa for quite some time. Yes, I did not get in or start talking about it when it was below a penny, and let's be frank, no one was talking about it at that point. But I got interested in it quite early on. But now what you're seeing is a shift of events taking place. We're seeing the hype factor getting bigger than ever. You can see from the previous charts, we have broken out of that all-time high. What did I say in the previous update? The red zone is considered an all-time high territory. And you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin pushed. You can see right now, Bitcoin pushed up towards the upside right now, retesting once again the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, which is really pushing Kaspa up even more. So at this rate, the rate Kaspa really is flying right now, a 10 cents Kaspa, in my opinion, is not far and it's not unrealistic. And what the most shocking aspect to this, in my opinion, is that No Coinbase, no Binance, no official announcement of even OKX, just the wallet support was the announcement that came out. And I think that has really taken things seriously because, guys, let's face it, if OKX has added added support to the wallet for Kaspa, guess what? There's eventually a listing coming. And do you realize that these bigger exchanges run against each other? They're competitors, and I've said that from the beginning. They are not okay with their competitor listing a certain coin because majority of the volume will go on their exchange and they're losing potential profit. So it's a matter of when, not a matter of when, if the price that Kaspa is going to be listed on these big exchanges. I think that is coming sooner than a lot of people think. And the biggest thing that gets me excited is if Kaspa is able to reach $2 billion market cap and we see an announcement come out from one of these big exchanges saying, hey, we've listed this, that's even bigger than you think. That's only going to bring in more FOMO before the listing even takes place. So we're looking at some prices that we could not even have imagined, but way the market has shifted, of course, into the bullish momentum is changing everything, and Kaspa has all the eyes on it right now. And at this rate, the way it's going, still in all-time high zone, above the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We saw all-time high of 7.5 cents, guys. Could be seeing an 8 cents Kaspa in the next coming days ahead of us if this momentum carries on. And if Bitcoin, and this is what I mentioned yesterday, if Bitcoin's able to get back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, because 3 different times we've seen a rejection, but if this time around, if it's able to break out of this resistance, guys, it's going to get crazy for the crypto space. Because let me tell you guys, last time the price of BTC was above this range was back on May of last year, and this is where the bear market started. Look at it for yourself. After that, it was lights out for the entire crypto space. So this is going to be a historic move, and so far Bitcoin is creating higher highs, higher lows. It's in an upwards trajectory. This can really push Kaspa to some levels that no one imagined a few months ago, especially the people that sold around that massive dip that occurred back on May. If some people paper handed that, I feel really bad because, guys, it has gone up since then. This is insane to see, but 500%. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. But at the end of the day, Bitcoin price needs to be looked at very, very carefully. Right now, the price of Kaspa is in, the price discovery mode, so the price can go up as high as it wants depending on the volume. And speaking about volume, it's picking up. It's picking up like we have not seen for quite some time. And at this rate, would not be surprised if Kaspa is even able to hit 8 cents before the week comes to an end. And if we're putting that into perspective, 8 cents is really, really close, guys. Look at it for yourself. That's only a move of about 8.7%. So wow, just wow. Let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, I will keep you guys updated with another update later today to see what is happening. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.